Hello everyone, and welcome to another sound pressure video. And today's video we're gonna start blowing up, and this is the last speaker that I'm gonna start blowing it up. But if you want to stay tuned for the next video, I'll keep you guys updated on that one, cause there's some new videos that I will planning to make once I get my check. I get to buy more speakers that could be way cheaper, because I don't know why the receiver is like so strong that I either like previously I either grandma got me a cheap ass speaker, like the brand name, it says Sharp. I was listening to music so loud that was since the past last in the year 2021. That sounds so horrible that I either turned the volume up on this receiver itself, like I put it on volume 24, right? I put it on volume 24 while so I can listen to music, and then all of a sudden I hear something blue door, and I'm like, what the hell? Like this, like I hear something. I could hear something kept going, that I hear something like the voice, like maybe it was the voice call that starts to that keeps on blowing up, and I'm like, what the hell? And then after it blew up, that other speaker that has a brand name Sharp was $5, and it blew up on me. I'm like, what the hell? Why is the speaker itself blews up on me? It was the receiver that does that, because that receiver, it has too much power on it, and it's loud. Depending how many wattage of this receiver itself, I look in the back, it says 190 watts on it, on the receiver, and that's what tells me how loud this receiver goes if it keeps on. So that's why it blows the speaker, because it's 190 watts, and I saw it in the back of the receiver. So anyways, guys, so what I was saying, in the last year in 2021, grandma got me a $5 cheap ass Sharp speaker, and when I listen to the music, I mean, last year in 2021, I didn't film videos and everything, because I just literally moved out from PA, and live with my dad in just one year until grandma would put me into school, and grandma got me a room for me. So yeah, speaking of that, this speaker itself, I look in the back, it says 50 watts. This receiver itself is 190 watts. So that receiver is so damn loud, and the speaker itself might not be that loud neither, because depending what receivers it could be. I start off with the Sony radio right here, the ones that says the model number MHC. I'll hook the speaker to that Sony radio, turn it up on max, so I can hear how loud the speaker can go. Why is it on video? Sorry. So I hooked the speaker up to Sony radio, and I had it on max, and I thought this speaker itself, after I took a close look of 50 watt speaker and hook up to the radio, it doesn't match, but both of them looks different. Oh my gosh, why is it on video? Come on, man. Okay, very sorry for the inconvenience. I don't know why it's the receiver, it kept going on video. So when I had it on max volume on, oh my gosh. Okay, just leave it right here. I'll just plug something right here. That receiver might not work neither. So anyways, speaking of that, the Sony radio, it's 90 watts, because I look in the back right here and it says 90 watts, and in the back, and then the speaker itself, I look in the back, it says 50 watts. So both on each, the difference, it doesn't match the same watts as it is. So the radio is 90 watts, the speaker itself is 50 watts. The 95 watt radio, it passed way through 50 watts. So I thought this radio itself, so that tells me that it doesn't match the same watts, but it goes up into 95 watts and pass away from 50 watts. So that means I gotta blow it up or test it up at home and see if it works or if it doesn't. Like, I thought this radio itself, if it says 95 watts, that means it's past 50 watt speaker, and I thought this radio itself could blow up that speaker, but I had it on max volume to see if it passed through it and see if it blows up, and I thought it did. So, because the radio itself doesn't have enough power to blow the speaker, like I said, only the amplifier that has 11,000 watts could blow up the speaker, including receivers too. That we're gonna start blowing up because it comes with I forgot what that thing called when it goes louder. Maybe it might be the initiative inside here. I don't know. But I'm gonna start blowing up the last speaker, and anyway, it's just for you guys for the video, and it's gonna be fun. It's better than fighting with people, because fighting with people is not nice, and it's gonna and I'm being charged for beating up people. So don't know why it's on video, but I'm gonna move to a different one here. Move to a different input, or for some reason. Let me wear headphones, so let me put on headphones, so because it's gonna be loud and I'm still hear well, just later. So I also have the belt with me in case I have the belt with me after the woofer blows up. I'm gonna whoop that shit with the belt. That speaker is way cheap, and I paid 75 cents worth of speaker because it's way on discounted. After the price from $199, I spent 75 cents on this speaker itself because it's 75% off. So I paid 75 cents worth of that speaker, and this is the last speaker I'm gonna start blowing up for the video. I have the headset with me, so in case if it's loud and they keep making so much noise, like fart noises, loud ass fart noises, I'm gonna put on headphones on. So, oh my gosh, I am so scared to do this, but I have to do it. It's fun. So I'm gonna play that song right now. Kiss It Better. Right here, you're listening to Sound Pressure Video. Let's party. Make sure the bass turned off.
Take it on, Baby, tell me what's wrong. We're gonna make it right. Make it all night long. I've been waiting up all night. Baby, tell me what's wrong. We're gonna make it right. Make it all night long. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back. Just take it on back, man. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Give me up all night.
So we get it. I'ma get it. So we get it. So we get it. I'ma get it. So we get it. You say
I see the smoke. Feel like so crazy. The really feeling that can't speak of what it's going to be. Okay, I don't want to blow the treaters out. Damn. That's a fucking smoke. That is so fast. Like, that is so fast. This receiver itself literally finished blowing that thing already. Okay, I don't want to blow that tweeter here because that receiver is going to end up it's going to be on protect mode. But I'm going to screw that anyways. Let's see what's wrong with the damn. So I knew this receiver could blow it up. Check what's wrong with it. Oh, it has capacitor inside. So. Damn, that is so much smoke. Oh, money. I like that. There's money inside in that speaker box. I love it. Yep. I love when there's money inside of it. Inside of here. Okay, if I want to get that money inside, if I want money, I'm gonna start off with whooping that speaker bugs. I literally saw there's money inside there, or a couple of dollars inside there, or someone left inside here. So just pull the wire off of it. So yeah, as you can see, guys, I literally took the woofer out of the box. So that means it's whooping time. Ready. Yeah, this bell's no good. Oh, I thought this belt could break. See if I can use the hammer. Something. Okay, guys. So I can't even find a safety glass to punch in it. The hammer. Those hammers are my dad's tools. So I'm not touching his nothing in nope. I'm not touching nothing of his. But what I would say is smash it. Just like that. Or stomp it. That would be better. Oh, Brad, boom, man. I'll just stomp it hard. What we would have done even better is to throw it on the floor. Throw them on the ground so it could break. There you go. Now it's time to clean up. That is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoy it. So please put a like, comment, and subscribe. And good news, I found a dollar bill. Woo! So I could buy something I want to drink. And remember, as I said, guys, I'm gonna give you guys update whenever I do more new videos, new something that what's going on. I'll let you guys know what's the new video could be, and I'll let you know when I'll let you guys know when it's the video. I'll give you guys updated for more new featured video. And that is it, guys. So have a wonderful day, and thank you guys for watching. Bye. Okay. Go. That is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoy it. So please put a like, comment, and subscribe. And good news, I found a dollar bill. Woo! So I could buy something I want to drink whenever I want to go out. So yes, thanks a lot, people, for leaving that money inside of it, because now it's my money. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, as I said, guys, I'm gonna give you guys update whenever I do more new videos, new something that what's going on. I'll let you guys know what's the new video could be, and I'll let you know when I'll let you guys know when it's the video. I'll give you guys update for more new featured video. And that is it, guys. So have a wonderful day, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.